everyone, how are you today? I hope you all well. Today I'm gonna cook baked short rib beef with lime honey chili paprika glaze. Assalamualaikum. Meet me again in my food channel FoodComa by MissBlackRose. If you like the video, please kindly hit the like button, subscribe, thank you very much, and let's do it together. So everyone, today I'm gonna bake quite a lot of short rib because I'm gonna have a few guests that's gonna having a lunch with us today. So all the ingredients later I'm gonna write down in my descriptions and you just read and find out over there. Okay, let's have a look. These short ribs, I know it's quite a lot because I'm gonna have a few people coming for lunch, so I make it a lot. And this is sriracha or chili sauce. You can use which one you like, and this is lime juice or lemon juice, no problem. And this is honey, garlic powder, brown sugar, and now I always forget, black pepper crush. And this is paprika powder, this is cumin powder, and this is salt. Okay, so we're gonna mix everything together and then put in here and marinate between like 2-3 hours before you baking, because then all the ingredient is gonna be really absorbing and it's gonna be really absolutely gorgeous. But everyone, I'm gonna using this huge bowl because I'm gonna mix everything in here. So let's start. Short rib inside this liquid and marinate it. Now as we finish making the liquid, and then if you feel it, if you feel too much chili or something, you just can put a little bit more honey or but then I like it that way. It's a bit tangy. I put more lemon. So anyway, so you put everything in here. And then you marinate. And you marinate it until 2-3 hours. Put in the fridge while you marinate, right? And then ready to bake. Right, everyone, this is the short rib that we marinated before for a couple hours. Then we put it in the baking pan, and don't forget put like a half cup water in each of it. And then we're gonna cover it up with the aluminum foil before we put in the oven. Okay, let's do it. The sauce, this is paprika, lime, chili sauce. I'm gonna use it for glazing the short rib that already done baked from the oven. Okay, this is tomato ketchup, lime juice, water, chili flake, paprika, brown sugar, and cornstarch. So we're gonna mix everything together. Then we're gonna put on the pan and heat it up with a really small flame. Okay, let's do it together then. Okay, now we're gonna mix everything together, right? pan. Now we're gonna put on the stove. This is the glaze or the sauce that we're gonna use for the glazing the short rib later on. We put on the stove and it's not so big flame. Okay, and we keep stirring because it's gonna be like thicker later on. So you keep stirring until the glaze is getting thicker. So don't you miss it, because then it's gonna be like, you know, this is the result. It's very thick. This is what we're gonna use for glazing the short ribs. Alright, finish 2 hours, then you take it out and open the cover and you start putting a glaze that we make it before, and then put back about like 20 minutes or something. I mean, put back in the oven for 20 minutes. So yeah, it's gonna be like a lot of hours in the oven, but you know, you want your short ribs tender, right? So okay, let's start to put it in the oven. Right, the short rib is in the oven now. Just make it 1 hour first, and then switch the top to the bottom, bottom to the top in another 1 hour. Okay? It's like the short rib is done now. It's been like 2 hours. I'm gonna take it out from the oven. This is the oven. I don't know why this pole is in here, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna glaze it, and I'm gonna put back in the oven again later on. Okay? I'm looking for this. So hard. Oh, the struggle is real, right? So I'm gonna put it on the table and ouch! I'm gonna put the glaze. Ooh la la! So heavy and very hot. In the oven for 20 minutes. So this is the paprika lime sauce that we made it before. Just put it in here. I think it's a bit spicy, yeah, so you can reduce the chili when you make it if you don't like spicy. But in Indonesia they love spicy food, so glaze it like that. You can use what you call it, spoon or brush. Anyway, you see this beef is shrinking because you know, like lots of controls down there. Just 20 minutes after this, otherwise it's going to be falling off from the bone. When you've done it, you will again also in the next you know, bake pan. When you've done it, you close it again and back to the oven. Okay? Alright.
It's done now. Wow. Time to bake it. Look at this.
Wow!
Look at this beautiful short ribs.
So everyone, we're gonna have a lunch. This is Dawood gonna help me to plating, and then Keke.
Look how beautiful the short rib. Now time to plating.
Let me smile, yeah?
finish, guys.
Hi guys, come in. This is your short ribs.
guys.
We're gonna eat this.
How beautiful
this is
the short ribs, you know?
It's been like 3 hours in the oven. Thank you for coming.
We are so lucky.
It's gonna be great lunch, yeah,
We
guys.
cannot wait to try this.
It
Yes,
smells
of
amazing.
Ooh la
It
la.
smells amazing.
So we're gonna put inside. Yes.
Put this. Table is so big.
Thank you for coming, Budia.
Thank you for lunch.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Dengan duyung. Pasal kambing.
Finally coming, the gorgeous girl, Linda and May. Bon appetit.